Hello, Jan Montarsi here, and I'm excited to announce that I will be releasing my string theory workshop for polymer clay for free on my YouTube channel. The class was released originally in 2020, and I'm now releasing it to the public for free. I hope what I teach will give you lots of options to use polymer clay in a different way in many of your projects, or singularly as I show in my class. Originally, Primo by Sculpey clay is what I used, but over the years they've discontinued colors, so I had to develop my own, and I teach that in my class. And since that time, Cernit clay has come out with a range of metallic colors that are wonderful to use, but they're slightly different, and you want to dilute them with translucent clay because they're so highly pigmented. Primo 18 karat gold is a very important color to have for this class. It gives the light and the glow to your extrusion strings. You can see here the difference between Cernit and Primo. I do cover sanding in the class, and the deeper you sand into your pieces, the brighter and richer the colors will be. My Facebook group is open to all, but postings can only be made by students. In this class, what you will learn is how to manipulate strings of extruded clay into colorful patterns using lines and swirls and shapes. String theory workshop can be used to cover pre-baked items such as this giant bead, dome forms in this in-row box. You are also able to change the palette into a pastel range, one-tone colors, or limited palettes that give you multiple ranges of colors. In this bracelet, there are actually 9 colors of clay used. These are the types of string theory pendants you will learn in the class. Also in the class, you will learn how to make custom colors of pearl clays without diluting their mica shift capabilities. These next 2 pendants are the 2 that we will design in class, which gives you all the shapes that you can design any pattern with. We will also cover sanding. You can see the differences in these 4 steps. Also in the class, as a bonus, I will be teaching my Easy Back, my signature bail that lets you easily change out cords on any pendant with any cord. This is my Eye of the Beholder, a 10-inch tall rocket box, covered in extrusions from legs to eyeball to body. All the details are in my Facebook group, String Theory Workshop Polymer Clay. You can come there and ask me any questions through Messenger or on the page. The group is designed to be a place where students can come share their work and ask questions for easy contact. Any polymer clay extruder with the basic set of discs that come with them will work for this class. The Lucy extruder is currently out of production, but hopefully next year it will make a return. But you will need all the discs from the less expensive ones. These are the basic single and multi-hole discs that come with every basic brand of extruder. So if you don't have one, you can just purchase an inexpensive one for now. Be sure to check out my other YouTube videos and all my tools that I've designed that are now sold at createalong.com. I will have a link in the description of this class as well as the main class. The string theory workshop class is about 4.5 hours long, and I cover a lot. So the less experienced you are, all the details in the class. But I'm always open to questions either on the actual video or on YouTube or on my Facebook group. So don't hesitate to ask. I love to teach about polymer clay. I've taught this class many times in person, as well as a lot of online students have taken my class. I've taught it in Europe at Polymer Week in 2018. I really hope you enjoy my class and all the different areas I cover in creating with polymer clay. The actual class has been stored for 4 or 5 years on my private YouTube channel, which I will be discontinuing that private channel for now. When I release it, the video has some older information that I've updated here. So I hope if you have any questions about products, feel free to ask. There is some background music in the original video. I'm sorry about that. I didn't know back then how annoying it could be, and it may cause some issue with releasing it for free. If it does, I will work on that. Today is Christmas Eve, December 2024, and I should have the actual string theory workshop available for view in just the next couple of days. I hope you enjoy it and can incorporate it into your own polymer clay work. Thanks so much. I do have a downloadable PDF handout for the class for supplies and other color recipes for mixing clay. I have to figure out how to provide that easily for you. Thanks again for watching my videos and supporting YouTube artists. And the best way you can support artists on YouTube is to allow the videos to run completely to the end, as well as watching all the commercials when they play. Thanks again, and don't forget to like and subscribe.